Hey, how's it going, guys? Quick video today. Really just wanted to show you guys how to remove a background from an image. I do a lot of iRacing, so I like to upload different logos and numbers to the car design using trading paints. I mean, this is really for anything though. When I try to find a solution on YouTube, it just seems like it's always a hassle. It's like a 10-minute video, or it's some paid program. So this is completely free. You don't even have to download a program. You're just going to go to photop.com, start a new project, and then you'll go to File, Open, and you'll choose your logo, whatever it is you have downloaded. I just downloaded the iRacing logo off of here. I just hit right click, save image, and then I went into Photop and went to File, open the image, and here it is. So all you have to do, very simple, on the left side here, you've got a magic wand. So you'll click that. You've got your tolerance here. I try to keep it pretty high. So then you'll click the background area, and all you have to do is hit delete. So then you can hold Alt and scroll in. So we'll click that there, click there, see, scroll into the G, click, delete, and you can hold Alt and scroll real far in to make sure that everything's deleted other than the actual logo. Um, if it if there's anything left, like little areas on the edge, just raise the tolerance up. That's all you have to do. So once that's done, sorry, this is still trying to figure out how to use this correctly. So once that's done, just go to File and then Save, and you'll save the changes, and then you just pull the image up. Go to File, Downloads. I guess it's not going to be in that. It's going to be Desktop, Trading Paints. Sorry, I've got so many different logos here. Yeah, right there. Open it up, and bam, there it is, no background. That's really all there is to it. So hopefully that helps, and you guys have a good one.